there's a basic principle. New places are fostering new habits, new practices, and new services, also new behaviors. So if you provide the new places with no cars or no speed, the public places with no cars is the bike lanes or the bike tracks, and maybe also the bus lanes with bikes. The mixity, because cohabitation is the principle on the public space also. And new places with no speed is when you downgrade the speed so that everybody can have a good cohabitation on the public space. The mixity is possible when the speed is not high. So the problem is the difference of speed between every mode of transportation. So when you create or recreate, because they were there before, spaces with no speed or no cars, like 30 kilometer or 20 kilometer zones, or like bike lanes or bike tracks, you pull, that's like marketing, you pull people. And then you can push a product like Vilov, and they use it in those new spaces. The symbol of the last legislature of Gérard Collomb, the mayor of Lyon, was a Vilov on the riverbank. Because on that place that you see behind me, there were 2,000 cars waiting all the day long for the commuter, you know, and that's the most magical place in Lyon. And it was used by cars waiting for their owner, private individual owners' cars. So we have put them underground in that parking that you see. That's where their parking place is during the day, underground. And you free the surface, you free the public space to give it back to the citizen and to foster new practices like walking, like jogging, like biking, and just wandering, you know, for senior citizens or babies in their carts. So that's the principle, the rebalancing of the public space, and you foster with new places and new services, new habits and new behaviors. You give the people the possibility to have a choice between their own car and then new alternatives to individual cars. And if you add, every time you add a new private-public mode of transportation, or every time you extend the network of public transportation that we are doing in Lyon very expensively every year. We are going to Oulin, to the south of Lyon, with the metro. It's costing 260 million euros, but it's sustainable mobility. It's good for the air quality, for the public and private health, and that's our sustainable public transportation plan is to add every mean to offer the people an alternative to their own private car.